Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to grow callaloo in half the time it normally takes. So what I have in front of me now is actually a little nursery. It's a little makeshift nursery at home where I get some garden soil and sow some callaloo seeds. And of course you can see these seedlings, they're looking very lovely. These are about what, 3 to 4 days old, and so they are growing very nice. So I'm going to show you in this video, remember, how to grow callaloo in half the time it usually takes. So you're not going to necessarily need this step that I'm showing you right here. I'm just going to show you, I just bringing this to show you that you don't necessarily have to grow callaloo from seeds. So alright, remember. So for this exercise you're going to need a pot, and right here I have my pot already with some soil, and of course you're going to need, let me show you. You're going to need this callaloo, store-bought, or callaloo that you buy from your callaloo man or woman, wherever. So this callaloo, what you normally do when you're preparing it is that you normally cut these stems, because some of the times these stems are very hard, they are fibrous, so you don't want them, and then you will use this to prepare your meal. So this that you normally waste, this is what we're going to use, guys, to actually grow plants. Right? These are called callaloo cuttings. So one like this, what you're going to need? You need a cutting with about 3 nodes. 1 node, 2, 3. And this is lovely. So this, as you can see, where the stems are growing up, see? Stems are growing up. You're not going to turn this like this in your pot. You're going to turn this like this, right? To show the direction in which the stem grows. And that's normally how it will grow in the soil. So after you prepare, after you cut, I'm going to show you how to prepare your stem ready for planting. Alright, let me just move this aside a little. So the top of it, you're going to cut it maybe at a 45-degree angle like that. Alright, and then the bottom, same 45-degree angle at the bottom. But just below this node, this is where it is going to go down into the soil, or down into the ground. You're going to plant it. Maybe you're going to plant this outside in your garden, right? Or maybe you're going to plant it in some beds or so, or maybe in a pot, just like what I'm demonstrating now. Then you're just going to score the side a little, all right? And this little scoring is where you're going to have the first set of roots, or the first set of roots initiating that's going to come out, all right? So let me put back the pot in frame. You're just going to use your knife. Actually, get my soil already. Right? You can use potting mix, you can use your garden soil, nice and rich. You make a little hole, and you remember now, you want to cover this node. You want to make sure it is covered to about here, because this is where the roots are going to come out. Now, these leaves, some of them can be removed, like this one. You can remove that leaf. This one as well, you can remove that leaf. And then you may ask, why are you removing the leaves next? I know the leaf are going to grow up in a new plant and whatever. Yes, but you actually remove some of the leaves so that it reduces the air of the surface area, so that you don't have a lot of evaporation when you put this outside, right? Because when you have the big leaves like these and you leave them on like that, the sun comes and it's going to pull out all the moisture, and you're going to pull out the moisture from the stem, and you don't want that, so the stem keep fresh when you do this. All right, then you just gently put it down right in the center of your pot. Remember, you want to cover one node, and you cover just like that. And guess what? Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This stem is going to send roots, and it's going to grow into a mature callaloo plant where you can then go and cut. And you can do this in 1 month. This can be achieved in 1 month. Versus if you were using the seeds that I just showed you a while ago, that will take 1 week, maybe a week for the seed to germinate. Then it's going to take another 2 weeks for them to develop into seedlings. Then you have to transplant them, and sometimes the seedlings them dead, and you have to replant them, and that will take around 2 months to 2.5 months. This will only take a month to a month and a half, and you can harvest fresh callaloo. So guys, remember, try this at home. Don't throw away. See my callaloo here. See them here, all right? And see some here that I have prepared already, all right? If you right here, let me show you them. Let me just move this aside. Alright, so I have some cuttings prepared. I have them in water, as you can clearly see, and these are fresh. So I'm not going to plant these now, because I'm going to plant these in my garden outside, and then I'm going to show you. Alright, so I'm going to move this equipment, and then I'm going to show you how they are actually planted outside. So if you say you get your callaloo Sunday, and you don't want to plant them Sunday, you're going to go to church, you can cut them, put them in Ziploc bag, or put them in a normal plastic bag, put a little water in the bottom there, and just tie it, secure it, put it in the bottom of your fridge, in the crisp jar, and they will keep fresh for days, right? And then when you're ready, you can plant them out. Sometimes you will even see roots start to come out in the bag, right? So do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to show you how these actually look on the outside. Stay tuned. Welcome back to this part of the video that I promised you. Okay, this is actually the outside where I've planted some of the cuttings that I showed you a while ago in my garden. So as you can see, I planted these yesterday evening, and the best time to plant seedlings or cuttings is actually late in the evening, so they can regenerate a little before that full midday sun come upon them. So this is it, guys. This is how they look. They're growing nicely, right? And that's the seedlings right there. Right, so this will actually take a lot of 2 weeks, as I said before, they are this stage. So these are way advanced. So remember, this is how you can plant your callaloo at home in half the time. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. If this video is of any help, share it. Thank you.